Hi, I'm Carrie, and I'll be helping you with the 5th and 6th pages of your application. The first section of this page, you are asked to list an emergency contact. In this section, we recommend listing a trusted family member or friend. They'll just be contacted if something goes wrong. Feel free to call your trusted family member or friend just to make sure the contact information is okay. Next, you'll see an opportunity to list parent information, and you can list that if you want to. Our next section is entitled Other Information. There are just 7 questions that you need to finish, and then you're done with your application. Most of these questions are pretty straightforward, but there are a couple that we wanted to give you some pointers on just to clarify. The first question asks if your parent or guardian has completed a bachelor's degree or higher. So if your parent has completed a certificate or an associate's or has gone to some school, you'll select no. If they've received a bachelor's degree or higher, that's when you'll select yes. The next question will ask if you are currently incarcerated. Just so you know, incarcerated means you're currently in jail or prison. Next, you'll see a few questions about your plans to interact your school, your educational goals, and your connection to the United States Armed Forces. Click Save and Continue, and you'll be on our final page. On this page, you have to certify that everything you've said is correct, that you're willing to let us look at your high school transcripts, and a couple other things. I'd recommend reading through all of that, selecting yes, and submitting. If you select no, then you won't be able to submit your application. And then it will bring you to a page to pay our $35 fee. You can pay that fee, or you can attend our open house on October 29th, and we will give you a $25 discount on that application. In addition to that, at our open house, you'll be able to learn about academic departments, housing, and just overall about UVU. We'd love to have you there. So to hear what you need to do after you submit the application, I'll send it over to my friend Jessie.